What's up, beautiful people out there? This is again Ashish from ashvircreations and welcome back, guys. Today we are going to create a very Vogue cover magazine, kind of, trending viral challenge which is going on TikTok. So we're gonna just make a cover photo for our, Vogue type of, magazine cover. So I have clicked this kind of, photo in white background. You can just click this kind of, photo at your home or in your, outdoor place. Now we're gonna crop the photo for our Instagram, or the cover size should be a 4:5 or 8:10 ratio, right? That is our Instagram ratio. So you can just make that kind of ratio. And guys, make sure that it should contain the white portion should contain the maximum on the top side, because we want to add that text of the Vogue on the top. So it is very important. Now let's color grade the photo. First of all, we will do the minor correction. So just go to the filter, select the camera filter, and we're gonna increase the contrast, highlights, decrease the highlights. This is totally up to you guys. You can totally play with this saturation and everything. The minor color correction you can do it by yourself and according to your photo. Let me increase the contrast, but make sure that it should look more kind of amazing and enhanced way, right? So it is very important. Now we're gonna decrease the blackness. Now let's go to the calibration, select the blue primary color, and just increase the saturation of these colors, of the green color and also the red primary color. This is totally up to you guys. Whatever color you want to give, you can totally add, or you can also add directly the preset which I have already given you. There are a lot of presets free on my website, that is www.ashvircreations.com, right? So you can just download that all free. Now let's make sure to get a perfect skin tone, right? So it is very important. So we're gonna fix this and make the shadows to around 205 would be pretty perfect, and make the saturation according to yourself. Let me take it to around 10, the saturation of this, right? 10 seems to be perfect, I guess. 8 or 10. Now let's go to saturation of this HSL panel, select the decrease the blue and aqua color saturation to all the way to the 0. Alright, now as you can see, this one is literally looking so perfect. Now let me increase some more saturation. I guess 20 seems to be perfect, or 18, right? So now let's just make more correction. If you want to add a vignette, you can add, but I don't recommend, because you want a perfect whitish background, right? So don't add a vignette. Now we're gonna again fix the skin tone to make a perfect kind of goldish kind of pinkish skin tone, right? Now let's add a bit of clarity to +10 would be pretty perfect, I guess, right? Now increase the vibrance a bit and decrease some saturation, and just hit OK. And guys, it is the most important thing is the outfit. You should capture some photo in very good pose and in good outfit, because that really plays a very amazing and an impressive role during the process of editing and creating an amazing photo. Now just right click on it and make a duplication of this image, and let's name it as a dodge layer, and we're gonna do the dodging and burning, which is a very important part of the editing. Now change the blending mode to screen. Just right click on it and select blending option, move the slider from left to right by pressing the Alt key from the keyboard, right? And now just hit OK. Again, just duplicate the layer and just name it as burn just by pressing the Ctrl J button. Now change the blending mode to multiply. Select the blending options and move your slider from right to left until you get a perfect gradiented skin fade. Now just make a group of both by pressing Ctrl G. Add a layer mask on it, go to the image, select the apply image, just select the original layer, that is layer 0 copy, right? And just hit OK. As you can see, this one is literally looking so perfect, and it is really giving a huge impact to the photo. As you can see, the dodging and burning really makes your photo to stand out, right? So it is very important to add dodging and burning during the process of editing. Alright, now we're gonna just add some kind of the Vogue text to the photo. So what we're gonna do is, first of all, you can just totally play with this and decrease the opacity of this particular group to around 80 or around 70, right? If you want a bit of dodging and burning, you can just keep it, or you can make it as 100. This is totally up to you guys. Now again, just go to the filter, select the camera filter, and we're gonna increase the clarity to +10. Let's add a grain to the photo. Just make the amount to 25, size to around 25, roughness to around minus 37 or 37 would be pretty perfect, and just hit OK. Right, so finally guys, it's time to add a magazine text PNG to the photo. So you can just download this Vogue text PNG from the link in the description. Press Ctrl T to increase the size, and as you can see, we have already made a kept the size of this whitish area on the top. So it is very important to get a perfect whitish effect on the top, so that we can just place that Vogue PNG over there. You can just download this perspective PNG and make sure to keep this on the bottom, right? So this will literally make your photo and magazine cover an amazing touch. That is a perspective photo or a text file, and it should be inverted. That is very important. As you can see, this one is literally making your photo an amazing Google kind of magazine cover look. Let's just open up this photo, just drag it and drop to our photo, or just press Ctrl C and Ctrl V by pasting. Change the blending mode to darken, right? It is very important, because if you have a white background, then just change the blending mode to darken, so it will automatically take that kind of effect and just place this the black color. But it will only work if you have the background the white. The background should be the white. Let me select this, city left this one. These fonts are literally looking so outstanding and amazing to the photo, right? So we're gonna just press the Ctrl V and Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and we're gonna paste. Change the blending mode to darker, and we're gonna just place this on the left side, on the bottom side of the photo. As you can see, this one is fitting perfectly on this area. Now this one is the last thing. Upgrade your cheek, right? Press Ctrl C and we're gonna paste over here. Change the blending mode to darken, and we're gonna just place this over here. So as you can see, these fonts all are literally looking so perfect for the magazine cover, and it is really making a cool impact to the photo. So this is how you can create guys. Let's just merge all the layers, and finally we have done our process of creating a magazine cover, which is a very trending nowadays on TikTok or the Vogue magazine cover challenge, right? So this is how you can create your photo and just make an amazing model look to your photo. So I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button, so that it will motivate me to make more videos and presets like this. If you want to enroll the complete Photoshop as well as Lightroom course which I have created, I'll just put the link in the description, so you can just enroll it now. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can just download all the presets and stuff just for free. Also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.